Test. Okay. Good day, Kabarangay, and welcome to Vox Sophia. And today is Sunday. It's a worship day. And first thing in the morning, this is my salutation to the morning sun. Thank you for showing up this morning. Almighty Sun, Almighty Sun, thank you for showing up this morning. We're grateful. And at the same time, I'm going to check my progress. Do it. Let's do it. And do it again. Let's do it and do it and do it again. Come on, let's do it and do it and do it again. Come on, let's do it. Do it again. Let's do it again. And I'm doing it again. I'm doing it again. Now I'm hungry. Bye bye. Thank you.